Good morning students and welcome back. Today we are going to start lesson number 2.5, the Happy Prince. Okay, here are some of the warming up questions. We have to find out the difference between these things. Here are some grammar portion, direct speech and indirect speech. Now let's come towards our lesson, The Happy Prince. It's a story. The statue of the Happy Prince stood high above the city. It was covered with gold. Its eyes were bright blue jewels, and a red jewel hung from its waist. Everyone thought that it was very beautiful. So there was a statue of a happy prince which stood very high in the city. Okay, it was totally covered with the gold. Its eyes were bright blue jewels. यानी उसकी आंखें जो है जो blue jewels से बने हुए थे. And the red jewels hung through his waist. और उसके कमर पे red jewel एक लटक रहा था. Everyone thought that it was a very beautiful. The happy prince was looking very beautiful with all these ornaments over there. Why haven't you liked the happy prince? Mother said to their little boys when they cried. तो बच्चे रास्ते में जा रहे थे, they were crying. तो मम्मी ने बोला Why haven't you liked the happy prince? मतलब happy prince की तरह तुम लोग हमेशा खुश क्यों नहीं रहते हो, हमेशा रोते क्यों रहते हो? Sad man looked at the statue and said, I am glad that someone in the world is happy. Now one man passing through over there saw the statue and said, there is someone in the world who is very happy. Mostly people are not very happy. how संतुष्ट नहीं रहते, किसी न किसी प्रॉब्लम में जूझ रहे, कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम फेस करना रहता है उनको, जूझते रहते प्रॉब्लम से, कुछ ना कुछ सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं रहता किसी चीज़ की. तो नॉर्मली हम देखें तो कोई खुश नहीं है, तो वो देख के खुश होते हैं कि कोई तो है इस दुनिया में जो खुश है. One night a little fellow flew alone from the city. His friends had gone away, but he had stayed behind for 6 weeks. Where can I stay tonight? He thought. Then he saw the statue. I will stay there, he thought. It is high up, so there is plenty of fresh air. So one night what happened? A little swallow, that is a bird, एक छोटा सा bird है, that was flying over the city. His friends had gone away, but he had stayed behind for 6 weeks. तो उसके जो दोस्त थे swallow थे वो बर्ड सब उड़ चुके, दूसरी जगह पे गए, but it stayed for 6 weeks. Where can I stay in tonight? He thought. Then he saw the statue. तो उसे देख रहे थे कहाँ पे वो स्टे करे, तो उसको स्टैचू नज़र आया, तो इससे I will stay there. He thought. It is high up, so there is plenty of fresh air. So he decided that he will stay near the statue, high up, and there is plenty of air over there. He landed between the feet of the happy prince. I have a golden bedroom, he thought. But as he put his head under his wing, a large drop of water fell on him. So he landed between the feet of the happy prince. दोनों पैरों के बीच में. See over here, the happy prince is standing over there. उन दो पैरों के बीच में the swallow bird was sitting over there. So what happened? A drop fell on that bird. He was under the wing. A large drop of water fell on him. He looked up. This is very strange. He thought. There is not a cloud in the sky, but it is raining. Now, as soon as the water fell, तो इनको इस swallow को bird को समझ में नहीं आया. He said, there is no cloud in the sky. Still, it is raining. Then another drop fell. I cannot stay on the statue, and that does not keep me dry. He thought. I must find another place, and he decided to fly away. But as he opened his wings, and a third drop fell. He looked up and saw. What did he see? तो what did this? यहाँ पे मैं सुरक्षित नहीं हूँ. I will be get up wet. यहाँ पे मैं भीग जाऊँगा. दिस स्टैचू डजंट कीप मी ड्राई. ये स्टैचू के नीचे बैठने से कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं हुआ, ये स्टैचू मुझे ड्राई नहीं रख रहा है. सो ही डिसाइडेड टू फ्लाई ओवर फ्रॉम दैट. एज ही वॉज ट्राइंग टू फ्लाई, तो और एक तीसरा ड्रॉप इसका गिर जाता है इसके ऊपर. तो ही जस्ट लुक्ड इट अप. Then what did he see? The eyes of the happy prince were full of tears. Tears rolled down his golden face. The face was very beautiful in the moonlight, and the swallow felt sorry for him. So what did the swallow notice? That the happy prince's eyes were full of tears, means it was crying. The happy prince was crying. The tears were rolling from his golden face, and the face was looking very beautiful in the moonlight. The swallow felt sorry for the happy prince because the happy prince was crying. "Who are you?" asked the bird. "I am the happy prince." "Then why are you crying?" "I am wet with your tears." Now the bird asked the statue, "Who are you?" Then the statue said, "I am the happy prince." Then he asked, "Then why are you crying? You made me wet." "When I was alive," said Prince, "I had a heart like every other man, but I did not know what tears were. I lived in a palace where there was no sadness. In the daytime I played with my friends in the beautiful garden, and in the evening I danced. There were high walls around the garden, but I did not know what lay on the other side. So I was called the happy prince. I was pleased with my little world. Now I am dead, and they have put me up here. I can see all the unhappiness of my city. My heart now is made up of cheap metal, but even that poor heart can feel, and so I cry." So what did the happy prince say? Why he was crying? He said, when I was alive, I was a very happy prince. I didn't know what the sadness was. I lived in the palace and there was no sadness. यानी वो अपने महल में रहता था, उनको सैडनेस का कुछ पता ही नहीं रहता, दुनिया में क्या चल रहा है, क्या दुख क्या होता है, उसको अंदाज़ा ही नहीं है। वो अपने दोस्तों के साथ एंजॉय करता था, खेलता था, डांसिंग करता था, वो वहाँ पे अपने गार्डन में काफ़ी मौज करता था। पर एक दिन उसका डेथ हो जाता है, और उसके बाद उसको हैप्पी प्रिंस का एक स्टैचू बना के उसको वो लोग ने ऊपर एकदम हाई सिटी के ऊपर उन्होंने ये किया, उसका स्टैचू लगा दिया। अब उस हाई जगह से, ऊंचाई से उसको सारी तकलीफ़ें नज़र आ रही है। जब वो जिंदे थे, हैप्पी प्रिंस व्हेन ही वाज अलाइव, ही डिडंट नो व्हाट इज सैडनेस, वो सिर्फ खुशी थे। तो अभी जो उनको नज़र आने लग गया कि दुनिया में बहुत सारे दुख दर्द तकलीफ़ें लोगों को झेलना पड़ता है, तो ये देख के उनके आंखों से आंसू बहने लगे। "My heart now is made up of cheap metal, but even that poor heart can feel, and so I cry." तो बोलते मुझे अभी बहुत बुरा लग रहा है ये सब देख के, and so I am crying. "Oh," said the swallow to himself, "he is not only gold on the outside." तो वो सैलो को क्या लगता है, हाँ ये सिर्फ बाहर से ही सोने का नहीं है, उसका दिल भी बहुत अच्छा है हैप्पी प्रिंस का। "Far away from here," said the happy prince in the low voice, "there is a poor house in the little street. Through an open window I can see a woman at the table. Her face is very thin and she has a rough red table. Her face is very thin and she has her face is very thin and she has rough red hands. She is making a dress for one of the queen's ladies for a dance in the palace. Her little boy is lying on the bed in the corner of the room. He is very ill. He is crying because she can only give him water from the river. Little bird, will you take my red jewel to her? I can't move from here." तो when he was standing, the statue, जब इतनी ऊंचाई से वो देख रहे, तो what did he see? He saw a woman who was, what she was doing, her face was thin, मतलब वो काफ़ी दुबली पतली सी थी। See, far away from this, what did the happy prince see? A poor lady in a poor house in the little street. The woman was very thin, means her face was very thin, and she was has rough red hands, मीन्स वेरी, वो बहुत ही काम करने वाली है, जिनके हाथ काफ़ी सख्त हो जाते हैं, जो बहुत मेहनती वाला काम जो करते हैं, तो उसका हाथ काफ़ी सख्त। शी इज़ मेकिंग अ ड्रेस फॉर वन ऑफ द क्वींस लेडीज, वो सिला रही थी एक क्वींस के जो ये है उनके लिए सिला रही थी ड्रेस। फॉर द डांस इन द डांस फंक्शन था, उसमें एक लेडी क्वींस की लेडी के लिए वो ड्रेस सिला रही थी और उसका बच्चा वहाँ पे बिस्तर पे लेटा हुआ था. द बॉय वॉज लाइंग ऑन द बेड इन द कॉर्नर ऑफ द रूम. ही वॉज इल एंड शी डिडंट हैव एनीथिंग टू गिव हिम. बच्चे को देने के लिए खाना उसके पास नहीं था, सिर्फ पानी था, जो पानी उसको पिला रही थी. तो ये दृश्य देख के हैप्पी प्रिंस को बहुत दुख होता है. एक मजबूर माँ अपने बच्चे के लिए कुछ नहीं कर पाती, सिर्फ पानी के अलावा उसको कुछ खाने के लिए दे नहीं सकती, बिकॉज शी वॉज वेरी पुअर. और ना ही वो अपने बच्चे को अटेंशन दे पा रही थी, क्योंकि वो काम में एकदम उसके लिए मजबूरी था कि काम करना ही था ताकि वो कुछ कमा सके और बच्चे को खिला सके. But what did this happy prince did? It told the swallow to take his red jewel and give it to her. उसकी कमर में जो रेड ज्वेल लटक रहे थे उसको निकाल के उसको देने के लिए, वो लेडी को देने के लिए प्रिंस स्वैलो से बोलता है. माई फ्रेंड्स आर वेटिंग फॉर मी इन द इजिप्ट सेड द स्वैलो. नाउ व्हाट डिड द स्वैलो सेड? मेरे दोस्त जो है इजिप्ट में मेरे इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. Little bird said the prince, please stay. The boy is crying and his mother is so unhappy. Now the prince is requesting the little bird that please stay. The boy is crying and his mother is so unhappy. बच्चा हो रहा है, बीमार है, तो नेचुरली माँ बहुत unhappy, sad रहेगी. The happy prince looked very sad and the little swallow was sorry for him. It is very cold here, he said, but I will stay with you for one night. Tomorrow I will take the jewel. So what did the swallow said? I know. Now when the happy prince was sad, उसको देख के swallow को काफ़ी तकलीफ होती है. बोलते हैं okay fine, it is cold here, still I will be staying over here one night and tomorrow I will take the jewel. कल मैं सुबह होते ही ये ज्वेल जो है उसको उस लेडी को दे दूँगा. Thank you little bird, said the prince. So the swallow took the great red jewel from the prince's waist and flew away with it over the roofs of the town. He passed the palace and heard the sound of dancing. तो swallow क्या है, रेड ज्वेल उसके प्रिंस के वेस्ट से लेके चला जाता है और वहाँ पे जहाँ पे वो लेडी काम कर रही थी वहाँ पे. He passed the palace and heard the sound of the dancing. वहाँ पे तभी डांसिंग का आवाज़ सुनाई देने लगा. The bird passed over the river and flew. At last he came to the poor little house and looked inside. फिर वहाँ पहुँच जाता जहाँ पे वो लेडी थी, उस घर में वो झोपड़ी वी कैन से अ पुअर लिटिल हाउस एंड लुक्ड इनसाइड. द बॉय वॉज लाइंग ऑन द बेड. जो बच्चा था वो वहीं पे बिस्तर में पड़ा हुआ था. द मदर वॉज एस्लीप. शी वॉज सो टायर्ड, क्योंकि वो रात भर काम कर रही थी, कपड़े सिला रही थी ट्विंस के लेडीज़ के लिए, तो इतनी थकी हुई थी कि वो सो गए वहीं पे और बच्चा बिस्तर पे लेटा हुआ था. देन ही फ्लू अराउंड द बेड मूविंग द हेयर अराउंड द बॉयज़ फेस विथ हिज विंग्स. तो वहाँ पे वो खिड़की के अंदर से चला जाता है वो स्वैलो और बच्चे के इर्द गिर्द घूमने लगता है. ओह सेड द बॉय, माई फेस डज नॉट फील सो हॉट, आई थिंक आई एम गेटिंग बेटर. ही फेल एस्लीप. तो बच्चा जो देखने लगा, बोलता है मेरा बदन अभी इतना गर्म नहीं लग रहा, आई थिंक आई एम गेटिंग बेटर. तो लड़का को लगने लगा कि महसूस होने लगा कि अभी वो ठीक हो रहा है. देन द swallow flew back to the happy prince. It is strange, the swallow said. It is very cold, but I feel quite warm. तो अभी swallow बोलता है बाहर इतना ठंडा है पर मुझे थोड़ा अभी गर्माहट महसूस हो रहा है. That is because you have done a good thing, said the prince. The little swallow fell asleep. तो what did the happy prince say? बाहर भले ही ठंडा हो लेकिन तुम्हें वार्म फील हो रहा है क्योंकि तुमने आज कुछ अच्छा काम किया. तुम्हें खुद को फील हो रहा है कि यू हैव डन सम गुड थिंग्स, किसी के काम आए हो करके. When day came, the swallow flew down to the river to bath. Okay, I am going to stop over here. The remaining part I will be explaining you in the next lecture. Bye, see you and meet you again.